My name's Greg Stowell. I am the store supervisor for Braemar Hospital. My role is to ensure that we have all the stock that is required to run the hospital for all operations and for the treatment of all our patients. The joys of this new system is that it's pretty much Android based, so if you can use a phone, you can use the system. A person will pick up a scanner and scan the stock codes that they require in their department. Once they've finished that, they can commit it to us and we will be able to see on our system. We can then see on that request what stock do we currently carry versus what stock we need to order in for them. Whatever stock we carry, we will then pick for them and deliver it to them. We will then do a transfer note of that, so it reduces our stock on my shelf in the main storeroom. And then whatever we don't have in stock is kept to one side, and then it gets consolidated later with all of our purchase orders through the RIC Group, and it will then create a purchase order with items from endo, items from ortho, items from storeroom 3 in theatre, put it all together and send off one purchase order to a supplier. I think for majority of companies using any form of inventory, one of the second largest expenses short of salaries will be stock on hand and what's there and available to be sold and to be used. And if we don't get that right, those costs can either blow out, as in we'll get way too much stock, or they will be short stocked and then we won't be able to service our customers accordingly. Shelf life is always critical, especially around medical stock, where you've got a manufacture date and you've got an expiry date for all your stock. If you don't track those expiry dates, then you can throw away a lot of stock. You've got to make sure that you rotate your stock correctly, which is part and parcel of what we do within stores and in theatres, rotate our stock. The journey's been good with RIC Group. They were very efficient at being able to produce something, and they were pretty lenient with regards to being able to do what we need to do. Being a hospital and being slightly different to most other places, we pushed the limits a bit with them, but they managed to come through and give us a system which is working.